Hi, my name's David Snyder here at America's Home Place in Albany, Georgia. Today we're going to talk about maintaining your home after you moved in. A few things, tips I can give you is making sure that you control your erosion around the foundation of the house. That's keeping your pine straw in your flower beds to keep the dirt from washing away. Once your house is over a period of time, it'll tend to settle in the soil. You want to make sure that you go around checking the exterior of your house, making sure all your caulk joints are sealed, especially on a concrete siding house versus a vinyl. Also, you want to pressure wash it once a year. You want to make sure you keep algae and mold off of your house, and that will preserve your paint over a period of time. And also, you want to see about, if you have a concrete siding house, you want to see about making sure that you paint it around every 7 years. You want to make sure you put a good coat of paint on the house. Keep any kind of trees off of your roof. Trees that shade the roofs seem to cause the shingles to deteriorate quicker than branches hanging over your roof. You want to make sure all your branches are off your roof. My name's David Snyder. I'm here as a project manager at America's Home Place in Albany, Georgia.